Hey, creatives, got a big scary project ahead of you? An entire novel, a movie script, a symphony? You want to know how to get your project done? Same way you eat an elephant, one bite at a time. I know that's pretty dorky, but it's also very true. When you look at your artistic project, you're looking at the end goal. You're looking at something that is a result of many days of work, many hours of concentration, lots of decisions, one after the other after the other. That's what that is. When you look at that and you think about what do I do today, right now, in this moment, it's easy to get overwhelmed. Take that eat an elephant idea. It really does apply to this. It's not tomorrow I have to have the novel written. It's, okay, what is the next scene? What is the next conversation? It is not the symphony is due tomorrow. It is, what is the next 4-measure phrase that I need to write to move it to the next part? It's not that 8-foot portrait has to be finished now. It's, what little detail can I work on to refine the shape of this or the color? Eat an elephant creative. One bite at a time, one step at a time. And it's not quite so overwhelming, and you can figure it out. You've got this, creative. I believe in you. Sit down with me, and let's go eat an elephant together. That sounded better in my head.